All right, today we're going to talk about Hunterworks' new Can-Am clutch tool package. Before we do, check out our belts, best on the planet. Also, check out our other YouTube channel called Hunterworks Outdoors. You get to see what Hunter and I do on our off time over at our place. A lot of tractors, excavators, you name it, hunting. Check it out. Please do subscribe, like those videos. All right, so the clutch tool package for the Can-Am come around from the fact that unfortunately, Can-Am clutches have to have a lot of tools to do basic maintenance, clutch kits, etc. More than the Polaris do. So this is what's been taking forever with us on the Can-Am, is getting our own tools made because of the offerings out there we just didn't care for, and anything that we had made gets made right here in the United States, not China. Now there are a couple items that we buy, which is a flyweight adjustment tool and a puller, but the rest of these we have made ourselves. So these are strictly Hunterworks made tools, made right here in the United States. All right, once again, why are we doing a package? Save you money. If you look on the website, each tool has a price. Each tool has a shipping amount added into the price. No such thing as free shipping. So when we do it as a package, then we reduce the price. Think top of my head, I reduce the price on each item by $10. Now the package starts off at 10 or 15, I forget, but it has to because of the combinations that you may grab in the options. So the 15, I believe it is, covers the cost of shipping. Well, hopefully covers, but anyway. So once you add a tool, then and more tools, then you start saving money. All right, so what tools are we offering in our tool package? Every single Can-Am clutch tool that we offer is available to pick and choose in the tool package. Now, the thing that you need to pay closest attention to is the fitment list, because not every tool can be used on all the clutches. There's a couple different primaries and a couple different secondaries, and you can't use all of the tools on there. So make sure you check the fitment list, okay? And actually, for example, clutch holding tool, you can use it on all the primaries, but you can't use it on a two-roller secondary. Will you still want it? I say yes if you want to properly torque clutches down, okay? So let's run through the list here. We won't go into great detail about each and every one of them. You can go watch their own videos when we introduce the tools for that. I just want to let you know what is available in the tool package. And we will put a link in the description, and hopefully Hunter will put in our little shop here on YouTube right to it also. So let's run through it. Clutch puller works on all models, okay? Spring compressor, again, works on all models. Those are the two, there's no guesswork. If you need a puller, need a compressor, click the box. All right. Belt change tool. This is going to work on both secondaries, 2-roller and 3-roller, so you're good to go there. Secondary roller pin pulling tool. This is only going to be used on the, I call it X3 style secondary, or the 3-roller style secondary, whatever you'd like to call it, not 2-roller. They have pins that unscrew. So there's your pin pulling tool. Our clutch holding tool. I would like to add that we've changed this tool. This is version 3. And our problem was pins. We first had a screw-in pin, and then we did a press-in pin, and then finally fixed a weld-in pin, and we're not having any more trouble with pins. So clutch holding tool. It does not work on a 2-roller style secondary, but I think I said earlier it still works on all primaries. Then we have a flyweight adjustment changing tool here that is used to compress the primaries so that you don't have to pull it off the vehicle, or use a governor cup tool just to swap out a primary and all. So check that out. And then lastly is our brand new governor cup tool, which is what I've been waiting on to do these videos, and waiting on to do all of our clutch kit stuff and really get a big push. So we're making our own right here again in the United States. A little pricey, but you're getting a lot for your money. I mean, this is a fine piece of craftsmanship here, heat treated bolt, you name it, works great. We'll have a video, a brand new video coming up, actually video on it today. So with that being said, clutch tool package, you pick and choose on the drop downs at the bottom. If you don't need that particular tool or it doesn't work for you, just click not needed. That's the two options, is either add the tool or not needed. And you're gonna have to pick one or the other. So just go down through there, save some money, get your tools coming. As I like to say, buy once, cry once, because these are kind of expensive tools, but then you'll have everything you need to do any kind of maintenance, clutch kits, replacing, whatever it is, you'll have it. You got questions? Todd at Hunterworks.com. Don't forget our belts, best on the planet. Subscribe, like, and check out Hunterworks Outdoors. Appreciate you guys.